Let's clean the wheels with our Zollex foam because it is 80% of the car's beauty. Be sure to shake the can and apply an even layer on the tires. That's it. Then just admire how the active foam sizzles and lifts the dirt. And then see how this dirt drains off while the foam residue dries. As a result, you get clean black tires with a deep wet effect. After application, it's better not to drive immediately to prevent foam residues from flying onto the body. So wait for 5 minutes and then go with clean and nice looking tires. By the way, what kills the rubber besides bad rods? You're right, ultraviolet and time. And if we can't control time, we can easily neutralize the impact of ultraviolet light. If you have noticed, cracks over time appear on the outer side of the tires. So if you treat the tires once or twice a month, their service life will pass without issues. And they will look very neat. Just wash the car and the wheels are already dirty. Just refresh the shine of the tires. I can already hear some people saying, what does it mean to just apply it and do nothing else? What if I want to clean it thoroughly with a brush and wipe it with a sponge? Of course you can do whatever you want. But agree, now our time is the most valuable thing we have. So it's better not to dirty your hands, but spend your time on yourself and your family. Honestly, I was impressed by the simplicity of using this product. In just a few minutes and your tires look like brand new. And it's not just for one day, but for a long time. I'm not praising this product, I'm just telling it like it is. So keep your car tidy and you will sell it for more someday.